guys, what is up? Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Urban Decay Wild West palette, and I'm so excited. I keep seeing ads for it and stuff, and I just love the color story, and I've been really into like the kind of western fashion that I see on like TikTok and stuff. I think it's so cute. So then when I saw this like palette, I was like, oh my gosh, and I wanted to get it and then kind of test it out for you guys and show you guys all about it. I had actually picked this up at Ulta. They only had a couple left at the one that I went to, so when I found it, I grabbed it up, and I think this retails for $54. I might be wrong. I'll put it up here on the screen, the little ad and stuff. But yeah, I had a gift card and I had some points, so I ended up only paying like $18 or something like that for this. So I was like, yes, I'm so happy. So yeah, this is what the little packaging looks like. So it also says it is a vegan formula, does not contain animal derived ingredients or byproducts. So here is the packaging. I thought that this like snake skin with like the blue and the orange and the yellow was just like absolutely stunning. I thought this packaging is so cute. And then once you flip it on the back here, it has all the ingredients, and then it also has like the shades across the bottom with the little brush and all of that. So this I thought was absolutely stunning. Packaging looks basically just like the unicorn. It is stunning. I love it. But here are all of the gorgeous shades that you get in this palette. I am in love. I love teal, and that deep like dark teal, and this one right here was just calling my name, and I thought it was so beautiful. So I am so excited. I already dipped into it once the other day when I was getting ready for work. I just did a quick little look with it, but I'm really happy and excited to just dive on in and, you know, see what we can make out of this. So let's go ahead. Oh, let me show you guys the brush too. It's just like the normal ones that come with all of their palettes. It just has like a fluffier end, as you can see here. Mine's a little dirty. And then it just has like a little flat one right here. And I already did prime my eyelids. I used the e.l.f. putty primer, the eye primer, and then I also put a little bit of concealer on top and some powder, so they should be all ready to go. I think I'm gonna go in with Nudie. I'm going in with Nudie, which is this one right here. So there you can go ahead and kind of already see a little bit of definition. That was like really easy to blend. Here we go with that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the shade Ghost Town, which is like the really pretty orange right here. I really like that, but I'm gonna deepen it up some. I'm gonna end up taking the shade Tex right here, this really nice blue. I'm using the flatter end. I'm gonna take the little flat end to really pack this shade on. So I'm just taking that deep blue shade called Tex and just really stamping it on there. And this might be a little bold for some people, but I mean, I'm all about the fun. I like color and stuff, so this isn't, I think once you get the lashes and like the whole look together, it really doesn't look like that crazy. I'm gonna be taking that really pretty teal called Bud. The gold right here, I'm going to take a little bit of this. There you can see we have a little gold and then it goes into the teal. And now I'm going to head into that Cowboy Rick shade. I'm going to mesh it in between the two. So as you can see, it's just kind of like a slight little ombre. And then for down here on the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Whiskey. Ooh, that's like the perfect brown. For the inner corner here, I am going to take the Cowboy Rick shade again, just with my finger. And it just kind of opens the eye up and gives it like that really nice look. So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of eyeliner and a little bit of mascara. I'm going to be using the Revlon Skinny Liquid Liner and then my Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara, and I'm also gonna pop on some lashes that I have, so I'm just gonna go in with these. Okay guys, that is pretty much all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and all in all, I think that the Urban Decay Wild West palette is awesome. I absolutely love the color story. I think it's perfect just to make a really unique kind of look, and you can do a neutral look with this, or you can do a really fun pop of color or a really fun look. It really just depends on what you're kind of going for. You could use it as a day palette, a night palette. Like, to me, this is very versatile or versatile, whatever. I think this is a really awesome palette, and I mean, I've heard some people talk about it, but I think this honestly deserves a lot more hype than it's getting. So if you haven't seen this palette, you should definitely check it out. I think it's awesome. I highly recommend. And I have the cherry palette and I also have the honey palette, but this is honestly taking the lead for me. I think I like it a little bit better than those, and I really like the honey palette, but I think this one's just a really neat concept. I've never really seen it done in makeup before, like a Wild West theme. I don't know, I think it's super cute and really fun. I think it would also be really good in the fall time, just to give you that nice smoky kind of rustic look. Somebody wants in my room. Come here. Come here. Somebody had to come say hi. She just busted my door open and wanted me to hold her, so say hello to Darby, everyone. Anyways guys, that is all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. That being said, I think that's all, and I will see you guys in my next one. Say bye, Darby.